welcome back to my video. Today we're gonna be making an Easter bonnet, and do you know what? I have an Easter bonnet on. It's because it's nearly Easter, and I'm having an Easter play tomorrow.
You are at your school, aren't you?
Yeah.
And all the kids are going to be coming in and showing off their Easter hats that they've made at home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, let's get decorating.
Let's get decorating. So what have we got, Elena? What have we got? What decorations have we got?
We got these little
We've got
bunny family.
a bunny family. Yeah. Let's have a look.
And we can use this story thing. I know it's not Easterly, but we can still use it.
Yeah.
This little thing.
So we've got a little what are these? Little bunnies. A bunny family. We've got
Subscribe, that notification.
we've got bunnies with carrots, we've got little chicks, we've got heaps of little chicks here, and then we've got clip-on butterflies. They're really cool. How cool are they?
Great.
They actually look really real. I really love them.
Yeah.
And then we've got feathers, some ribbons,
They are really cool.
rainbows, little bunnies, eggs, chicks. We've got everything. We've got a glue gun, so we're going to be using a glue gun to stick everything on, aren't we, Lena?
Yep.
So I'm going to be in charge of the glue gun. Okay, I'm going to be putting the bits of glue on the hat,
And I have sticks.
and then you're going to be sticking it on. So you have to make sure that when you're using a glue gun, you're doing it with your
But Mommy, we don't need
with your adults.
Yeah, but we don't need to put this on with a glue gun because it's already sticker.
Yeah, that's just a sticker. Yeah.
It sticks on.
So Elena, what do you think? What are we going to stick on first? I think. What do you think? Should we stick some feathers on first? They look kind of cool.
I think we should do the butterflies.
But you know what? The butterflies are clip-on, so they're going to be easier to do at the end because they're just clip-on. Let's do stuff that we need to stick on first.
Right. What
Stick
about
on.
the bunny family?
Yes, let's do the bunny family. Should we open them up?
Come on, guys. Let's open it up.
Let's open them up.
This is kind of hard to open it.
Where do we open it? Can you open? Or should I? Should I try?
Maybe I should try.
Here, look on the side.
Wait, I can do it.
Open it then.
This one. Why does my panda keep falling? Okay, Panda, you stay like that.
Pandy sits there. Here, let me help you.
Wait.
Oh, there we go.
No.
Here's our little...
Ah,
There we go.
That's stuck onto the bottom.
There we go. 1, 2.
Here's the daddy one, and here's the kitty one, and here's the mummy. Oh,
Right.
that's not
Where should we stick them? Where do you think? This is the front of the hat. Should we stick them? Should we stick them on here, like around?
Yeah. So
Who are we
this is
sticking on first then?
the mummy.
Okay, ready? Look, I'm putting on a thingy here. A blob of glue. Ready? No, it is. It's coming out. Look. There. And now you want to stick Mummy on there. Ready? Yeah. There we go. Okie doke. And now who else have we got? Who's next?
Daddy, daddy, daddy. Let's stick daddy on.
Okay, ready? Here's the glue coming out.
Daddy on. Here's daddy. Let's put him on there.
Stick him on then.
Right,
There's
I can
the-
do
there's
it
the blob.
myself now.
Good. There's Daddy.
Now we can
Next
do a
one.
little baby one next to the mummy.
Here, no, put
No,
it
I
here.
don't put it next to the mother.
Okie doke. Next to the Mummy. Ready?
Mhm.
There we go. There he is. Stuck on. Oh, that looks cute, isn't it? You're going to have to wear this, you know. Let's stick the other baby next to the daddy. Should we stick him next to the daddy?
Because I want it to be girl, girl, boy, boy. Oh, and there's 4. And we have 4 people in our house.
There you go. Stick him on there. Good?
Wait, that that glue nearly touched my finger.
Oh, be careful because it's really hot, isn't it? Right, so we've got our little family. Oh, that looks cute.
So first, next.
Next, what about next? What? Let's do these. Let's do the
No,
let's do the feathers.
this.
Okay,
This is
stick that on.
This is not really a thing, but
Can I stick something on?
Yeah.
Can I stick this on?
Yeah.
I feel like sticking this on. I feel like sticking this.
maybe this will
guy.
fall off.
I feel like sticking this guy on here.
I feel like sticking.
Oh, that is hot, isn't it? That's really hot when you touch
Don't
it.
touch it.
That's really hot.
I need a stick on that, guys. Make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yes. So we've got an egg.
Now what's this? How did that get in the earth?
Right here, we're going to stick a little chickie. Oh no, you stick it. Do you see what happened? It went
Yeah.
boing.
It went like this, boing.
And then over here, I reckon over here we're going to stick a rainbow. Yes?
Yeah.
That is so hot, isn't it, Elena?
Wait, can I come?
No, you can't because it's literally very, very, very hot. And then here we're going to stick one of these little rabbits. There we go. Right, what else should we do? How do you think that's looking, Elena? Because I don't think we're gonna use up everything. I think there's just. Sit down, Chop. Sit down because people can't see ya. What about? Do you think should we stick? What about this?
Oh yeah. Wait, I want to stick one on. I want to stick the blue one on because blue's my
Here.
favorite color.
Okay, stick. Hang on. Just be careful because it's really hot. Go like this.
Oh.
Yeah, there we go. There. Should we stick a red one on as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, put
Let's
this
do-
in my bag when I'm sleeping.
Let's do a yellow one. Okay, how do you think that's looking, Elena? Look,
Great.
I love how we've got this little bunny family here.
Yeah, it's
What do
so
you think?
cute.
They are very cute.
Yeah.
But do you know what? The only thing that I wanted, I just wanted a few more chicks. Should we do some chicks?
Yeah.
Because they're so cute. Let's do some chicks.
We had these last year.
We did. We had
I
loads of these.
broke one eye though.
Let's see.
I don't
if we-
like.
Do you think we can stick him on? Like, stick his feet on there? Yeah? You're gonna stick some on.
I can't wait.
Where should we stick him? I'll stick one here. Look. Stick one there. Put his feet. Stick him. Put his feet on there. Good.
Ah!
That's great. What about in the middle? Stick one in the
Okay,
middle,
wait.
like right on the top. Ready? Hang on. There. Stick his feet on there. Oh, that's so cute. I reckon we need more of these chickies because they look really cute. Oh, here's another spot.
Well, we already had 1, 2, 3, 4,
Stick
5,
on there.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16, guys. We have 16. Now.
Yeah. Do you know what? I think we need something here. I think we need something here. Let's see if we can stick one of these
1,
guys.
2, 3. We already have 11 left. I done my math.
Look, we can stick them on the side, and it looks like they're walking.
Off.
Yeah, it looks like they're walking. Can you see? Yeah.
Oh, that nearly.
Stick his feet on there, quick. Oh look, that is so cute. Oh no! Now don't fall off, little guy. Don't fall off. Hang on, I'll hold him down for a second. He'll get stuck because that one got
Guys,
stuck. There, he's stuck on.
see you later.
What else? What else do you think we should need? Nothing falling off? No. Wow, that I think that's looking pretty good. What do you think, Elena?
Oh, I love it.
What I think now, do you know what I think? Let's just finish it off with our butterflies.
No, I want to do the other chickies.
Which ones? These ones?
Yeah, these ones and these ones.
Okay, let's stick one of these on and one of these on.
Yeah, and these. And these, Mummy.
I don't know where we're going to put those ribbons, Chop. I don't think they're going to fit. Let's not do the ribbons.
No, I don't do the ribbon.
Stick this guy on.
Okay.
Stick him on. Look, stick him on. Stick him on there. So he's going to be standing here. There he is. Oh no, hang on. He's a little bit big, guys. Let me get some more glue.
Can we stick this on? Too?
I'm just trying to stick this little guy on. We've got the rainbows. Got the rainbows.
No, I just want to put some on.
There, he's on.
This has been
He's on.
This
Look,
has been a really short.
the little guy's on.
This has been a short video.
I don't think it's a very short video.
It is.
Right, should we try and stick the butterflies on
Wait,
now?
first let's do this one and then the butterflies.
Okay, where do you want to put the rainbow?
I want to put it right here.
Here?
Oh.
Oh dear! Are you okay? You okay?
Yeah.
Right, ready?
It's not that hot,
It's not really hot, but you have to be careful, don't you?
but it wasn't really hot.
There's the rainbow. Right, come on, let's stick the
Kids,
butterflies on.
Don't try this by yourself at home. Dangerous. Use a parent.
Yes, you have to use a parent
Mummy.
or an adult, whoever you're doing the video with.
Not
Right.
a video.
You know what I mean. The craft with. Right. Look at these.
Stop on me now. It really hurts.
Look how nice these are. They look real, don't they? Right, Lane.
Peeled it off.
We are gonna. I reckon. Where can we stick these on? I reckon stick them on like this around. Pick them up. And what we're gonna do?
Wait, how? Wait.
Oh, here. Yeah, there.
Ow, that buzzed me.
Here. Clip it on. So you open it like this with your handies, with your fingers, and you clip it on. Ready?
Wait.
You can do it. Yes! Wow, that looks amazing. Let's use these up, and then I think our bonnet's going to be done.
Yeah!
Chops, this is hard to do with one hand. Come on. Here, one. I'm going to take them off, and then we're going to stick them on.
They feel really real.
They look really good. I love them. I was so glad that I found them in the shop because they look like look at them. They look like real butterflies, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
I love them. They actually look really real. I think they're so
Mommy,
great.
look, I stuck one on.
Great, you've stuck one on there. Wow, look at how. Okay, so I'm gonna stick another one on here. Right, and then
I'm
Elena.
gonna stick this on.
We've got two more. So we've got stick one on maybe here. Stick one on here. Oh no, it's foul.
Guys, I'll get it now.
So we've got two more to stick on. It's gonna look great.
Oh, good on.
Stick one here, Chop. Stick one like here. Elena, stick one here.
Okay.
Stick one here. Ready? And then Elena, we've got one more space, I think, here. We've got one more butterfly. Why don't you stick it here?
I'm so excited, guys. But can we put some of these on?
Put the butterfly on here.
But then can we put one?
No, because look, we've got no more space.
No.
I don't think we've got no more space.
No, can I just do it?
Here, stick the butterfly on.
Okay. Wait.
There. Look. Look at that.
Wow.
I mean, that looks great, don't you think?
Wow. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Give a like and comment down below if you like this video.
Comment
Bye,
down
guys.
below and subscribe, like, comment, and thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.